Surron meetup. Let's go. My boy looped out too. Bro got the Moto Guts plate. Hey, he got the same tires as you, right?
Yeah, those are the same tires. Came with it too, which is pretty sick.
You got Jada doing an inspection.
Yeah, this thing goes hard, man. I like these bars. I can sit on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, this is way better with the bars. High up.
It is, because when I used to ride, I used to kind of be slouched over type shit, but with this, that makes it even better.
Probably beneficial with wheelies too. And even these. Your finger's never going to slip off or nothing.
Especially with the grips. Those were a major upgrade, I'm not going to lie.
The brakes are solid still too.
That's crazy, because I checked them yesterday, and they're like weird, but
They feel solid.
like worn down. Bro's still inspecting, but anyway, check out the t-shirts. Dakota got heat. All right, we just found a tunnel we're about to go through, see where it goes. I wonder if we'll have clearance with our helmets. God damn. Oh yeah, we got clearance.
Surrons aren't built for rocks.
Hell no. Echo! Oh yeah, perfect time to use the fucking beams.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Should I try to wheelie through it?
If you do, that'll be some crazy work. We have reached a dead end.
If you make a way out. The problem is I don't really think we can get back up from over here. And it doesn't really look like it goes anywhere.
Yeah, that's not promising. I really had use for my beams.
Let's go in the other one.
Okay. Whatever runs up on me, I'm gonna stab it with my phone. It looks like someone's been back here. Look at the traps and shit over there.
Traps?
Over there straight ahead.
Those are traps?
No, like, it's like some metal shit over there.
Bro, we're about to fucking walk into a bear trap. I don't know, that's what I was thinking about.
One way to find out. It looks like a feeder. Yeah, somebody's probably feeding deer or some shit out here. Oh, the deer hunting things over there. That's what that is.
There's no way you can hunt in here. You're like right in the fucking...
Yeah, somebody hangs out here. There's literally fire ashes right there.
I hear something. Oh, bro, I'm out. This is like a ritual circle.
This will keep going though.
Look, this is like a ritual circle. Look at this. They must gather around and burn shit in the middle.
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
Yeah.
Gather around the campfire and throw people in it.
Hell yeah.
PFIRESONG song.
PPA vibes from this
Pretty chillin'.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit kind of weird.
bitch. I like the shade though.
It's pretty cool to find though.
You gotta change your pegs too, Jaden. I changed my pegs, but I cut the fuck out of myself.
Fuck with the bikes, they all have their own personality.
You got your green, I got my blue, you got your purple. I took off the sticker and then...
You did? These are stickers?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought they were like on this, on the thing.
No, they're all stickers.
I feel like a fiend. Oh shit. Oh, almost looped the fuck out. Probably somebody old. They had like fish paintings back there, or a fish table or something.
They probably are old, but like a green couch is incredible.
I would lucky just buy like a little pit bike just to fuck around. Should I trade my big flyer for a little pit bike?
You got a flyer?
Yeah, I got a big flyer.
That's pretty lit. I got a Walmart flyer.
I saw a Walmart flyer. It was actually pretty tough. You could put like a sticker kit from SE bikes on it. Fuck yeah.
Who did this? Are y'all doing donuts over here?
No, that's
Oh, that's probably from when y'all turned around.
No, that's like a cart or something.
Oh.
That's not us. That's way too big. Big old dents right here. That wasn't us, was it?
Nah, someone was fucking doing donuts.
Yeah, somebody was playing over here.
On a pretty big, it had to have like a pit bike or something, like the fat tire pit bike.
Or a four-wheeler. It's probably a four-wheeler.
It looks like they're two in line.
It does look like a four-wheeler. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, doing shit on like any dirt bike and sand like this is just sketchy.
Is that a Tesla?
Hey, that's a drop Tesla.
Let's look at it. They go hard.
Electric Gang.
Bro, too cool for school.
Hey.
Who the fuck said that? Time to clean my car.
But it sounded like it was behind me and him.
Maybe it was. I know I said that because of the truck. Oh shit, you gotta get all that.
W video?
W gas.
Are you guys, you got the chain?
Yeah, I'm gassing it up.
Bro, you didn't share no gas with us.
Y'all want gas? Everybody line up. Let's go.
Yo, $8?
Who the fuck got $8?
I mean,
Oh. All right, tell me when.
Definitely good.
I'm good.
All right, next.
Let me shake this shit up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, hold up.
Next.
Next one on.
All right, bet. Tell me when.
Keep going.
All right,
We're overflowing with this bit.
that's good.
Alright, we're good now.
All right, bet.
Let me get some shaking in too.
Yeah, shake that. Shake that shit.
Make sure that shit's off. Hook it up a little bit.
I think we're good, bro.
Alright, that's fine.
But yeah, we can hit 7-Eleven now. Anybody need to get their car vacuumed?
Shit, maybe the bike.
Y'all need a vacuum? All right, bet. I got y'all.
As a two-stroke owner, I actually don't clean my bike.
You don't?
Nah, as a two-stroke owner, I don't.
Look how clean this shit come in, bro.
It's making such a difference.
Yeah, it is. Gotta get the tires too.
That shit's tires.
Oh, let me get right here. Yeah.
That ain't good, no.
Thick. All right, perfect. What am I feeling today? All right, we got Arizona, body armor, Gatorade. Ooh, I'm finna do this. Yeah, this one like it's finna hit. Bro, look at this shit. What the hell?
What?
It's getting like all steamy in there.
Condensated.
Yeah.
That looks like
Shout out to the homie for giving me some grips, you know?
Yes, sir.
That
Super
looks like
goated.
nut, real shit.
Super goated. Oh, yeah, my bad. Forgot.
All right, bro.
Alright, bro.
Nice meeting y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.